Hi everybody, this is Marc Billings, CEO of Black Dove. I wanted to give a quick demonstration of our technology today. Here we have a 55-inch digital canvas. Here I'm using our mobile phone application. And this digital canvas screen offers us the ability to browse any work of art on the blockchain and simply hit the play button, select one or many displays. In this case, I'll select our display here. And with that, our back screen here will be changing in just a moment. What this offers us is the first time a client, a collector, a hotel has the opportunity to hang just a single screen and constantly change your art. Experience the world of digital art in your home or office extraordinarily simply. Let's take a walk. We're going to take a look at what a consumer television looks like. So here we're showing the exact same experience, but on a Sony Android television. We happen to have this same app in all major televisions, including Apple TV and Android TV. I'm going to browse a portrait-oriented playlist for this particular screen. Here I'm going to choose artist Yuma Gasawa. I'm going to hit the same play button, unselecting our digital canvas, selecting our Sony TV, and hitting that same play button. And on doing so, here we have Yuma Gasawa. This accomplishes a wonderful new experience for any home, any bar, restaurant, to convert a television that was previously unused into a beautiful digital art canvas. Thank you so much. I'm Marc Billings.